Children, in this video we will study about the conservation of momentum. Children, as a result of ideal collision experiment, we can say that sum of the momenta of the two objects before collision is equal to the sum of the quanta after the collision, provided there is no external unbalanced force acting on them. This is known as the law of conservation of momentum. This statement can be alternatively be given as, we can also say like this: total momentum of the two objects is unchanged or conserved by the collision. Now we can prove it. We can see then we have taken the two objects or the two balls of masses MA and MB are traveling in the same direction along the straight line at different velocities UA and UB respectively. No other external force is acting on them. Let UA is greater than UB. During the collision, which lasts for a time t, the ball A exert a force FAB on the ball B, and the ball B exert a force FBA on ball A. Suppose VA and VB are the velocities of the ball A and B after collision. Then the momenta, that is the plural of the momenta of ball A before and after the collision is MAUA and MAVA. Then the rate of change of momenta, that is FAB, is equal to VA minus UA upon T, and force is equal to M into A, as you already know. MA is equal to VA minus VU upon T, MB is equal to VA minus VU upon T. And the force FBA exerted by the ball B on the ball FAB is equal to minus FBA. MAV minus VA minus UA, MAV minus VA minus UA upon T is equal to minus MVB minus UB upon T. It gives MAUA plus MB UB is equal to MAVA plus